It always wet. It's always wet. Oh, that looks deep. How are we gonna cross? Oh. Okay. Deep. Yeah. The word deep is okay. But, you know, if it's deep, deep is like a waterfall. Deep is the ocean. Waterfalls are a little deep. They go straight down. Oh, and this is how I don't get wet. And why I'm still getting wet. So I don't get wet when I'm still getting wet. Are you taking a video or pictures of us? Are you? Then maybe you should take a